Hi guys, so this is kind of a strange video. I'm filming this on the property of where our wedding is going to be actually. I'm in the backyard of my boyfriend's parents' place. So I'm currently surrounded by a lot of beautiful nature and insects um, and really cool flowers. And we actually just got back from a really cool kayaking trip in these marshes close by, and we picked up a bunch of awesome wildflowers. So I want to talk about in this video how you could possibly use wildflowers for your wedding bouquet instead of going with professional flowers from a florist. So some of the benefits of wildflowers are that it can be a lot more eco-friendly. And also obviously cheaper because it's free to pick wildflowers. You do have to be careful in terms of eco-friendliness. Oh, there's so many bugs. In terms of eco-friendliness, because sometimes you can actually disrupt the ecosystem by picking wildflowers. I'm not really sure how you would check this and be completely like, okay, check your bases on this. My fiance, who's an ecologist, seemed to think it was okay today that we were picking flowers in this marsh. There were like literally thousands of these flowers everywhere, so I did it. But you might just want to check with some local biologists or maybe do some Google searching before you just go picking wildflowers. Okay, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I got here, and we'll make a little bouquet together. There's no wrong way to do this, really, I don't think. I mean, I'm not a florist and I don't have any experience arranging flowers, but I think if you just put together a bunch of flowers that you think are pretty, it's going to be great, and there's no way to really mess that up. So I would suggest, if you are going to make your own wildflower bouquet, that you do a trial run. So maybe a few days before your wedding or maybe a week before your wedding, go out and pick the wildflowers that you think you might use and just see if they're gonna wilt or not. That's what happened to some of the flowers that we picked up like less than an hour ago. They're already droopy. So this is not gonna work for a bouquet probably. I mean, maybe you can make a flower crown out of it or something, but it's not gonna hold up in a big bouquet. So just give yourself some time and do a trial run if you have the option, and pick them the day before and put them in your fridge so that they keep nice and fresh. And take the fruits and vegetables out of your fridge because there's some kind of chemical in them that is released that makes your flowers wilt as well. And other than that, like, it's pretty easy to take care of your wildflowers and make sure they're nice and fresh looking for your wedding. So as far as arranging, I'm just gonna kind of play around with these. I have those purple ones that are really pretty, and I got other white ones that did seem to hold up well. And I'm just gonna kind of like move them around as I'm picking them up and see what I think looks nice. I don't think it's good to have like groups of flowers clumped together. I kind of like them all mixed up. We are in Quebec in July, so the variety of flowers is quite eclectic. There's all different kinds of species that I don't know the names of. I will figure out Googling them later. So yeah, depending on where you are, your bouquet is going to look really, really unique and different. These ones are really cool. Cute little purple ones here. So right now it's just like super purpley and pink. But I also got some really bright, you can hear frogs around frogs in the pond behind me. So yeah, we also got some really cool, I feel like these are tiger lilies, but I'm not really sure. Like, so adding some dimension to the bouquet here with some different heights and fiery colors. This one's also kind of droopy, but I just think the color is really pretty, so I'm gonna keep it in here. The frogs are so loud. And
It's the time of day they're gonna start.
Yeah. I'm disturbing them. And we're gonna add some yellow in here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. So you do have to be kind of open, I think, if you're gonna use wildflowers for your wedding bouquet, because you can't really just like pick and choose and have exactly what you want ordered from a florist. You're gonna have to be open to what's available in nature. And you're gonna have maybe some misses. Like I also picked up some greenery that's wilted. So really give yourself time to do a trial run. Another thing that might be interesting to do is just keep it really simple and use something like, yeah, I don't know what this is. It looks like some kind of wheat thing. I know it's not wheat, but something like that. And you can just do really simplistic, minimalistic bouquets with maybe just this for if you're gonna have a backyard wedding or a barn wedding. I kind of like it in this, just to add some height and interest to the bouquet. So here's what we have so far. I don't know, I think it's pretty. It's kind of like a hippie bouquet here with all different kinds of colors and dimensions. Phil was just mentioning if you drop these in water as soon as you pick them, they have a much bigger chance of not wilting. Of course, when you put them in your fridge, you should put them in water, keep them in water as well, and put some kind of bag on top of them, just to keep them as fresh as possible. So yeah, that's it guys. It's really simple. That's how you make a wedding wildflower bouquet in your own backyard with the flowers that you have available to you. It's totally free and it's really, really fun. So go out and play with some wildflowers, see what you can make, and just like have fun DIYing your wedding bouquet. If this is helpful for you or you enjoyed it, please remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go enjoy some poutine while I'm here in Quebec. Bye.